Components required: breadboard, 555 timer IC, BC547 transistor, resistors, 10 microfarad capacitor, buzzer, LED, rain sensor, jumper wire. First of all, take the breadboard. Place 555 timer IC on breadboard. This is the circuit diagram of the 555 timer IC. Now connect pin 8 to positive end, and pin 1 to negative end. Connect pin 2 to pin number 6. Place 1000 resistor between pin 7 and pin 8. Now put 10,000 resistor between pin 6 and pin 7. Now connect pin 4 to negative side of circuit. Using 4,700 resistor, connect 10 microfarad resistor to pin to and negative side of the circuit. Now it's time to connect BC547 transistor. Place the transistor on breadboard. Connect collector of the transistor to the positive side of the circuit using 470 resistor. Now connect 100,000 resistor to the base of the transistor to any of the free hole on the breadboard. Connect emitter of the transistor to pin 4 of the 555 timer IC. Now connect the buzzer to pin 3 of timer IC to negative side of the circuit. Now connect LED light in parallel with the buzzer. Now connect one pin of the rain sensor to the free end of 100,000 resistor and other to positive side. This is the circuit diagram of this project. The circuit is totally completed. It's time to test the circuit. Connect the 9 volts battery to the circuit. Pour some drops of water on rain sensor. Finally, the project is working properly. Like the video and subscribe to our channel. If you are new here, for more interesting and easy projects, kindly visit our channel. Thanks for watching.